Everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you allocate more RAM on Minecraft. Now basically allocating more RAM is going to significantly help you if you're using mods on Minecraft, and it's going to help you much, and it's going to really help you if you're using a lot of mods. It's going to speed up your game, but it's not going to speed it that much. But anyways, I'm going to tell you how. So first of all, we're going to launch our Minecraft. Okay, and once we launch Minecraft, it's going to load. Now, it's pretty easy to do it, but first of all, you just need to make sure is this how much RAM you've got. Okay, so we can check this out by clicking Windows S. And once you click on Windows S, you're going to click on Run. Once you click on Run, okay, you're going to click something called MS Info, okay? 32. Once you have this, or once you do MS Info 32, you're going to click OK. And once you click OK, you're going to scroll down until something called Install Physical Memory, okay? Now, Install Physical Memory is 16 gigabytes, okay? Now you need to make sure that available physical memory, you need to know how much you have available so you can use. So make sure you have this a little bit lower, okay? So basically how we can do this now, so now we know how many RAM types we know. We're going to go onto, after we open Minecraft, we're going to go on to installations. And then from installations, you're going to go to your respective Minecraft version if you're playing it. Basically, if you're playing latest release, you're playing 1.18, and you're going to click the three dots. Once you click the three dots, you're going to click on Edit. And then when you click on Edit, you're going to go on something called More Options. Now, as you can see, something called over here, JVM Arguments. Now, on JVM Arguments, basically, you're going to find some XMX2G. Now, this is how many RAMs that are used, okay? It's capped at 2. So I'm going to increase it all the way to 8, okay? And once I increase it all the way to 8, you can increase it to your desired. As long as it's lower from the available physical memory, you're all right, okay? Once you do this, you're going to click on Save. And now, what you did is only going to work on the latest release or the release that you used, okay? Once you have this, once you've done this, now you have allocated more RAM onto your on Minecraft. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.